Looking at the GuardLink standpoint from the connected enterprise, what Rockwell has done over the past few years, many of the devices have gone to Ethernet IP, putting some devices on SIP safety. The challenge we had with a lot of these lower end devices is obviously from a cost standpoint, that didn't allow you to do that, to get advanced diagnostics out of it. So that's where GuardLink kind of stepped up and came about, was it allowed us to put these lower end devices such as your e-stops, your door switches and things onto GuardLink and then get the same diagnostics we would, and these devices look like they're on Ethernet. And so we can get all this data, what the device is doing, trending, things of that nature, back up into the cloud, to our enterprise system to do some more historical data. Where's my downtime coming from? What are my issues